Welcome to the first video, Advanced PLCs. The idea here is just to sort of walk you through some of the software and the settings and just a general feel for what you've opened and where you're at. Just a minute or two. What you're looking at here is RS Logix 500 Pro. RS stands for Rockwell Software. When you buy a PLC, anyone from a whole family, I mean, if I were to sort of say I was going to open a new program, here's a whole series of different types of processors that the programs I create can be dumped into. And basically the PLC has no memory or has no idea what you're giving it. And with this software you create sort of a map or a software package to dump in there, kind of like a Windows or an operating system where you've assigned memory, you've given it tasks and monitored inputs and changed outputs based on those inputs. So we'll talk about creating a new program in a future video, but just generally in this software, what you have is when you open it, the ability to create a new program, open an existing program. These are current or older programs that were open. This is just the logic that we're dumping into the processor. It's really just a computer program, and they've made this nice graphical interface on top to make it look like ladder logic when reality it actually is probably a C type program in the background. There's the status bar here that tells you if you're online, offline. There's system communications. There's a few different pieces. You can toggle through all the different commands. We'll walk through creating a program and building ladder logic in a future video. When you open this software, in the background, another piece of software opens called RS Links, which again stands for Rockwell Software, but it links meaning that it links all of the different Rockwell pieces together. So you can have frequency drives and panel views and PLCs of all different types. This is the software where we set up that communications. It's also, in this case, a gateway. Some of it would be referred to as light. Gateway means that it has the ability to pull information and addresses from other types of software, be it Siemens or SCL or any piece of software you want, and you can allocate or associate one piece of software with an address, and then basically Rockwell Software can talk to protection and control relay, and that's done quite common too. Hopefully later in the course we'll have time to play with some of that. So those are the two pieces of software we'll be using for the first half of the course. In the next video we'll walk through creating a new program and setting up communications. Thanks.